Integrating Google Analytics event tracking allows you to measure user interactions on your website or application, providing valuable insights into user behavior. To get started, you need to have a Google Analytics account and the tracking code installed on your website. First, you need to understand the basic components of event tracking, which include category, action, label, and value. Category is the object that was interacted with. Action is the type of interaction. Label provides additional context. And value is a numerical value associated with the event. To set up event tracking, you will use the GA function, which is part of the Google Analytics tracking code. The basic syntax for event tracking is GA send event, followed by the category, action, label, and value. For example, if you want to track a button click, the code would be GA send event button click. You can also use event tracking to measure interactions with specific elements on your web page, such as links or forms. To do this, you can add the GA send event code to the onClick attribute of the element. For example, if you want to track clicks on a specific link, the code would be onClick GA send event link click this link. In addition to tracking user interactions, you can also use event tracking to measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. By tracking events such as form submissions or purchases, you can see which campaigns are driving the most conversions. Best practices for event tracking include using descriptive and consistent naming conventions for your categories, actions, and labels. This will make it easier to analyze your data and identify trends in user behavior. You should also test your event tracking code to ensure that it is working correctly and that the data is being sent to Google Analytics. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Google Analytics event tracking and gain a deeper understanding of user behavior on your website or application. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your website to improve user experience and drive more conversions.